Hello. Hi guys. How are ya? Welcome back to this hot mess of a fucking channel. So today, I don't need to make a 2,000 year long entry. There's clothes in my chair. I'm trying to be tall. Anyway, so today we're not gonna have a 10 million year long entry. Intro. I'm really tired if you can't tell. So I'm going to do the first ever on this channel Boxycharm review unboxing that I have seen no spoilers to at all, period, at all. Normally Boxycharm ruins it for you because they send you emails, and I get a lot of work emails, so I read my emails all the time, and it'll be like, here's what you're getting, and I can't help it. I click it every fucking time. But this time we have this guy here, which is actually a really small Boxycharm box. Like, they're normally probably like this much bigger. This is really little. So, Boxycharm box. Let's see. I'm hoping that this time they were just trying to do more of like product value versus a whole bunch of stuff. So maybe we get, and Boxy Lux comes out next month. So this month and next month will not be great boxes. They just never are because they want you to upgrade and get Boxy Lux. That is my conspiracy theory. There may be no truth to that. Excuse me if I look panicked. I did not bring my water in here when I sat down to film, and I am one of those people that if I don't have like water, like I start to kind of be like, well, I'm gonna dehydrate and die of thirst. So I decided not to like reapply anything of my makeup, even lipstick, because I don't know what's gonna be in here, and I may want to put some stuff on. So, and my hair actually looked nicer, but it's hot here in Florida, so this is how we look, okay? This is just, it's fine. You will survive. I want to get in here. I'm excited to see what's in this box. So let's get it popping. Holy shit. Okay. All right. Let's see here. The first thing that is very apparent that is in here is something from Glam Glow, which is awesome, which makes me happy because I feel like, okay, this is going to be one that's more value because the Glam Glow is expensive, and this is the Daily Conditioning Cleanser. That's a cool box. Let's see. What's in here? I love face wash, so I'm excited for this. Ooh, that's a big ass bottle. They weren't kidding when they said, okay, can't open it like that. I was gonna open it, but I can't. Is it? Oh, it's like white. Doesn't smell like anything, which is strange. Kind of smells like plastic. I don't know. Weird. Let me say what this is supposed to do. Apply to a wet face and gently massage, and even circular motions. Rinse well. Okay. What are you supposed to do for me? Ultimate Daily Conditioning Cleanser to gently but effectively cleanse the skin, remove face makeup and daily impurities. Cool. I'm excited. This is really cool. Glam Glow is expensive, but it's really, really awesome skincare, and I enjoy it very much. I used to use a ton of it when I worked in department stores because I got a discount, and I don't work in a department store now. So, moving right along, color shifting pigments. Ooh, Eye Luster Cream Shadow. Oh, wait, where's my little card? Oh shit, what did I do with the card? Motherfuck. Oh, I got it. It's under the box. I want to read how much they're supposed to cost. So this going, there's only $28. I can afford that. Okay. Huh. Cool. 28 bucks. So this is already more expensive than the Boxycharm because you pay like $21, like after tax and everything, for the whole box. So not mad like that. It looks like I only have like 4 things in here, which I'm not super mad about, but let's move on. This is the Ciate London Eye Luster Cream Shadows. Let's go to our informational card. Make waves is our theme. I don't see how any of this has anything to do with it, but I'm not done, so I don't know. Ciate London's Eye Luster will help you create a long-lasting, shimmering eyeshadow look. Metallic, glittery liquid shadows that can be one swipe full coverage or blended out sheer for a sparkle applied as eyeshadow topper. I don't know what color this is. Let's open up. Ooh, look how pretty. Oh, I can put this on my eyes for sure. Oh. Alright, let's see what we got. Whoa. Oh, damn. Okay. I'm gonna just kind of tap it with my finger here to just like blend out the edges. Holy shit, that's beautiful. Wow. Okay. I like how I'm just like, does this match my eye look? I don't know. But does it match the makeup you've already got on? No clue. Putting it on. Don't care. Ooh, and you can like, I wonder if it'll layer. It will layer. Holy shit. Alright, well, that's really pretty. Why is it super purple in this one spot? Oh my god. Shouldn't have patted it out. This one's a lot more intense that I didn't like pat. Let's put a little here. A little right there. Yeah, get that in a corner. Girl, fuck, this is pretty. Okay. These retail for $22, and the color I got was... I can't fucking read this. It's not Cupid. It is this tiny on the box. You see that? What the hell is that? I can't see. I'm old. All right. So far, super good box. Super excited. And we have a... it's a Dose of Color. A liquid matte lipstick in the shade Stone. These are 18. Oh, it says New Bestie. That's really cute. I'm just gonna... Oh, I love it so much. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay. This is such a KP color, too. Like this purpley nude. Oh, sweet Jesus. I've never used a Dose of Colors liquid lipstick. I'm a creature of habit. I'm a Jeffree Star lady. Like, that's my lipstick. That's what I like. Okay. It smells like it's supposed to smell like cupcakes, you know what I'm talking about? Like they want it to smell like sugary, sweet stuff, but it kind of just smells like if you took a lipstick that was already created that had no scent and just put some in at the end, so it still kind of smells like that. Look at my hands. It still has that super lipsticky smell, but I don't really mind that. Dries down pretty quick. Super comfy. The most beautiful color. Holy shit. Okay, so how did I get this cute all of a sudden? Whatever. I'm really excited because I don't really buy a ton of makeup. I just don't have time to shop or anything. So unless this last thing's a mascara, I need a little something. Anyway, there's one more thing in this box. What do we have here? Oh, there's two more things. Okay. It's a blush trio. I don't know how to say this. It's written really, really weird. What does that say? Alamar Cosmetics. Oh, okay. Never heard of it. It's taped closed, which is a little annoying. This is a really cute component, though, and I love blushes, so I'm always excited to get blushes. Oh, that's really pretty. Oh, look. That's cute. I like that. Let's touch some. Wow. Okay. They are so soft. They're super pigmented though, so just like be careful when applying. I love this. Holy, I like them all. I would use all of these. For my look today, I think we're gonna go with this guy right here. I'm just gonna use my Morphe E4 brush because my Unicorn Cosmetics brush that I normally use is like behind this somewhere and I'm not fucking getting up, so. All right, have a mirror. A little powdery. Oh, okay. Doesn't translate a lot on camera, but this is a lot of blush that I put on my face. It is very powdery. Like, are you gonna be able to see that? Boop. Nope. Oh, it's really cute though. I love this really orange one. Oh, fuck, it's so pretty. I was a little scared of it, but I was like, you know what? Fuck it. Just try the super orangey one. So these two I have mixed together, shades Castaway and Paris. I can't say that. I'm not even gonna try. I'm real tired. Oh my god. That's cute. Fuck yeah. Yeah. Maybe I went a little hard on my nose, but I don't really care. Let's just do the whole thing. Blush it. I'm going to take it down just a little bitty notch on this here nose. This is just my powder brush from earlier today that has powder on it. Oh, I need to repowder some places because we're not getting it powder. So, that is pretty. It's got a little bit of a sheen, but not like overwhelming amounts. So, it's just like a little bit. Honestly, I feel like my Milani has a lot more shimmer to it, my Luminoso blush. Let me just swatch it next to them so we can compare. Oh yeah, see this is Luminoso down here. But my normal everyday blush, and it has significantly more sheen. But, you know, it could have been in that palette, and it would have made a lot of sense. Of course, the one that I picked, these two that I wore, it looks like they mix together, they would make this. So that makes sense. That's why I like this mixed together so fucking much. So far so good. I have one other item. It's not exciting at all. It is just an eyeliner. It's green. It's from Bodyography. It's an emerald eye pencil. It is it's green. Like, oh, it's like a, I mean, it's pretty. It's like got a little shimmer maybe to it. It's like a aqua color. It's a pretty color. Like, I'm not mad at this. I'm not super excited about an eye pencil because I can never find my sharpener. So I kind of am super wasteful when it comes to stuff like that because I won't reach for it because I can't find my sharpener ever. Like, I buy them all the time and I can just never find them again. So, least excited about this, but it's just an eye pencil. Oh, and let me see. I don't know how much this costs. And I don't even tell you, the blush palette's only $22, which is awesome. Then again, I'm pretty sure my Morphe one was about $25, and it's got like 8 shades in it. So do with that what you will. The blush is beautiful though. This eyeliner pencil is $14 fucking dollars. I would not pay $14 for this. Straight up would not pay $14 for this. It's pretty, it's cute. You can get a color pop one that's probably the same color for $5, and it's an automatic one, and you won't even lose the sharp. You don't have to find the sharpener that you can't fucking find. No, cute color. I could have done without it. It could have been these 4 items, and I would have been fine without this. It's like cool if they threw in something extra, but I don't care about it. I'm just putting it in my eyeliner cup. Maybe I'll wear it one day. I don't know. It would look really ugly. You know what? I don't care. I'm not going anywhere. Let's see. What do you look like in the waterline? Don't pull on your eye like I'm doing, by the way. But my makeup's ruined. I look tired and old anyway. It doesn't look like much, to be honest with you. There's also a really pointy tip. That's another reason I'm kind of tugging my eye down, is because I don't want to stab myself, because I do that pretty frequently. I'm got away from me. What do you think? Oh, that fucking cream eyeshadow. It's starting to crease a little bit on this side, but you can't super tell when my eyes are open. Just when I go like this, to get real close, you can see that it's a little creasy. And I'm creasy. It's been a long fucking day. Could live without it. It's cute. Like, I don't hate it. Wouldn't pay money for this. I'd pay money for this lipstick, though. Girl, that's good. That's some good shit. I'd pay money for a lot of this. I probably wouldn't... If, like, I saw this blush palette, I would not run out and buy it, but I am happy to have it because I think it is really, really pretty. Does that make sense? Like, I would not, like, buy this myself, but if, like, I'm happy that it was given to me, you know, that it came in a box where I didn't have to pick, because I wouldn't pick this, but it's cool that it's here. I don't know if that makes sense to you. That's how I feel. Like, I'm like, I don't know if I would spend money to purchase it, but I am happy that I have it. I just need a little layer, because this eyeshadow is so beautiful, and I feel like I'm not doing it justice by not giving it some at least mildly coated lashes, you know? See? That looks so much better. These are a little clump because I'm putting mascara over old mascara from the day. I don't really care though. You guys don't fucking care. So, that's fine. Holy shit, is this the shortest video I've ever fucking filmed? Probably. This is definitely the shortest Boxycharm video I've ever filmed because there just wasn't that much stuff in here. But, I really like all this stuff. I like this lipstick is so good. This is so good. This eyeshadow is so good. Fuck, look how pretty. They've been giving me, Boxycharm's been giving me some cream eyeshadows lately. Let me see if I can grab this one they gave me. It's dirty. All my stuff's dirty. It's from Appeal. It's a liquid eyeshadow, and it comes with like a brush, which I really appreciate. It's a really liquidy one, but it looks like this. And it is beautiful on the eye as well. Let's just give it a little bit right there. A little extra gold. Ooh, maybe they should not be layered together because that felt crusty. This is just gorgeous. I wear this all the time because I love it and it's so easy and you can blend it out so well. Like I just pat it on my hand, just or I use it to just like line like right here, like when I'm trying to do a cute little cut crease moment, you know, which I'm rarely ever trying to do because I'm in a hurry all the time. But anyway, love this box. I really thought I was going to be disappointing because it was so small, and I was like, they're going to give me one like really expensive thing that I'm not going to give a shit about, and then I've just like wasted my money this month with shit that I didn't want. Which has only happened like 1 or 2 times, and I've had Boxycharm for a year or so. So I mean, I genuinely am happy with the stuff that I get, but there has been a couple boxes where I'm just like, I like one thing out of this whole thing, like one. It's like you guys aren't even trying. But this time, I actually really enjoyed all the stuff, and I'm actually not upset that there was fewer items. I do like it when we get brushes. Like I really enjoy it. Like this brush from I think it's Moda. Yeah, Moda highlighting brush that no one liked in the reviews because they're like, it doesn't pack my highlighter on very well. I'm just like, well, then you need to buy a better highlighter because it works wonderful for me and I adore it so much. Like this is just leftover highlighter from this morning. Yeah, it's just because it looks so much more like natural, and it won't ever give you like that streak across your face that when I'm looking straight on you can't even tell until I turn to the side, and it's like, oh, she glows, you know. But I enjoyed this brush. I love this. And this was from Boxycharm. I'm on tangents now. I really just need to shut up because I will do this for the next like 30 minutes and make this a nice long freaking video. But yeah, I don't have any, I'm not affiliated with Boxycharm at all. Like you cannot scroll down and click a link so I can, you know, get a box with my discount code and let me get some kickback. Which don't act, I'm not trying to act like I would not do that because I would, because I actually really like Boxycharm. You guys are more than welcome to sponsor me. You can hit me up in the DMs or send me an email because I would say yes for sure. $20? Yes. Anyway, on the real, this was a good box. This lipstick is so fucking beautiful, and I can't believe I've waited this long to try a dose of colors. Like, she has some lips, even though I really don't. Like you though. And I'm going to wash my face with this tonight, and I will let you guys know. The packaging itself is just, it's so beautiful. And I know I'm going to like it because I like Glam Glow. The only thing I don't like is the Super Mud because it's got too much like charcoal, and every time I wear it, my face turns like bright red, and it's really inflamed, and I just cannot use those products. But I love the Thirsty Mud a lot. And then the, what is the one that's like a silver mask? It's in a purple jar. The masks, I like the masks. I don't remember what that one is called, but it's like a peel-off mask, and it's silver, and then they made a Sonic one, like Sonic the Hedgehog one. Are you guys following me at all? And they also made like a My Little Pony one, those, whatever that's called. But Thirsty Mud has always been my favorite. Anyway, I'm going to let you guys go and just enjoy the rest of your Friday, because I am not one of those people usually that films a video and holds on to it. I will just film and upload, film and upload, film and upload. Because I'm not smart. That smart person would pre-film if they work as much as me and have the worst upload schedule in the universe. I am going to be filming another video. Might be directly after this because there is some fucking tea that we need to discuss. We need to talk about some things. There is a lot happening, and I have opinions and they need to be heard. Anyway, until then, if you guys would like to follow me on all my other social media accounts, you can follow me on Instagram at grungexglitterx, and you can follow me on Twitter and Snapchat at grungexglitter, and you should definitely follow my Instagram because, like, my Instagram is dying. On the real, I did block a bunch of people recently. I feel like it's, like, personal reasons, but y'all should for sure follow me on Instagram. For sure. Follow me on Instagram. Okay? Okay. Love you guys so much. I will see you later. Bye-bye.